Whoa! You guys, I'm back. Today we are going to have a really special video, guys. A lot of you voted on Instagram for the big reveal, so today is going to happen. I've prepared everything. Everything is behind this beautiful black wall, and we are going to have the best experience ever on this channel, guys. Big stuff is going to happen, so stay tuned, guys, stay connected, follow this video. And this is the video I also was waiting for, because it's like a goal for my life, and I'm so enjoying this moment to share with you guys. This is going to be the best reveal ever, and that's it. So without further ado, guys, follow me inside. We are going to enjoy it. So guys, we have finished filming and I'm so freaking happy of the result. We have like 40 minutes of videos, guys. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be beautiful. Really or not, guys, I'm going. Here it is. Yeah. So guys, welcome on this reveal. I hope you like this small intro of this baby, guys, which is my Aprilia RS660 which has 100 CV on this small motor, guys, and 660 cc's and 67 Newton meters, which is crazy, guys. I recently used the sport map because I have different maps on this baby. I had 3 different maps that I can manage and change, and the motorbike is incredible, guys. I literally just, yeah, the first, second and third gear, I just go wheelie, and it's crazy, guys. This is my first big motorbike. I was having a 125 cc early for some months, and then I switched to this. This setup is incredible for me, guys. I have prepared all this stuff just to reveal this motorbike. It's not just, but I really like this motorbike so much. I had so much incredible experience on this motorbike that I'm going to bring you on this channel, and you're going to have some POV and some other videos, different point of view on this motorbike. I went to a lot of events this summer with friends, alone, etc. So you are going to enjoy all of that, guys, later on this YouTube channel. So you should really consider to subscribe to this channel, and we are going to have so much fun with this baby, guys. So for the specs, I have explained everything, guys. It's an incredible motorbike. This is the limited edition, which is an edition that they did for having for winning, no, I didn't remember what, in America, in the USA for the first time. And so they did this limited edition with this livery on it, which is pretty beautiful from my point of view, guys. I literally didn't like these ones, but you know, it's matching everything, so it's so cool, guys. And at some, you know, motorbike meetings, everyone was looking at this bike. Also, if it isn't 1000 cc's, etc., but it's incredible and it's beautiful, guys. So this model specifically is the 1025 on 1500 models that I did. So this is a really incredible limited edition, guys, and I'm enjoying this so much, and I don't have anything more to say about it. So guys, as always, thank you everyone for coming, and see you in the next one. And probably I have the worst shoes for this video.